In a verdant land, a plumage of splendor unfurled. A peacock adorned in hues so vibrant and twirled. With feathers of emerald and gold, a sight to behold. In the heart of the forest, a captivating tale unfolded. The peacock, named Proud, was a creature of grace. His resplendent feathers, a symbol of his own space. He'd strut with an air of superiority, his head held high, believing himself the pinnacle of the sky. One day, a storm swept through the land, a fierce tempest's roar. Proud, confident, thought he'd weather it, and nothing more. But the wind grew stronger, and the rain fell hard. Proud's feathers, once shining, now matted and marred. In the midst of the storm, he sought shelter in a den. His pride eroded, his spirit drenched and wren. Alone, cold, and soaked, he felt the weight of his sin. His arrogance, once a shield, now his greatest ache within. As the storm subsided, Proud stepped out, a sight so forlorn. His once resplendent feathers, now dull and torn. He looked at his reflection, his heart filled with dismay, realizing his pride had led him astray. In the days that followed, Proud learned a valuable lesson. That pride can be a burden, a constant depression. He vowed to cherish humility, to grow, to evolve, to embrace the lessons that life's storms do entwine. So, remember, dear friend, as you journey through life, pride can be a burden, and our downfall, our strife. Embrace the lessons that storms may bring, and let humility take the place of everything.